Hi everyone, my name is Julia Holmes and this is my room tour. Hey guys, so future Julia is here and I'm obviously not in my dorm room right now. I'm technically in my real room, but I wanted to come in and let you guys know that these next few clips that you're gonna see are gonna be from my move-in process, and I thought they might be a little bit entertaining for you to see. I didn't get much, but I thought you might want to see them. So before we jump right into my dorm tour, this is my move-in process. Move-in day started off very eventful. I actually overpacked and I was very upset about moving in. And then my brother was late to coming because we did need 2 cars. And Joe's late. To be continued on how this goes. He's here and brought donuts.
Wait,
Score.
did you FaceTime?
We said goodbye to my house and we moved in. Update? We're real early. After we had moved in, we had tons of bugs on our ceiling because we left the window open and they were attracted to the light. So that is what you're seeing here. And then I also broke the shade. It fell out of the wall. And I didn't keep my Snapchat people updated. So here you go. This is the front entryway. Starting where the door is, we have this little wall over here, and that just has our command strips with our purses and a hat and another purse. And then this is Kenzie's raincoat. And then coming a little bit further down, we have a basket with an umbrella because it has not stopped raining yet this fall. But continuing from this doorway, this is our closet. We have our robes and a few belts, and then this is Kenzie's side of the closet, and this is my side of the closet. On the other side of our closet, we actually have our own bathroom. So it just comes right in from the front entryway. Walking into our bathroom, we have this shower curtain and this pink rug, along with our toilet and sink. And we have this towel from Target, and we have these 2 dishes from HomeGoods and a Bath & Body Works soap, along with some under the sink storage because we obviously do not have anything under our sink. On the other side of our bathroom, we have these shelves which are perfect for holding all of your bathroom necessities. Exiting the closet and bathroom area, we enter into our living area, but we also have this mirror from Target and a little lantern. And this mirror I love because of these gorgeous details that you can see. But again, we will pass this ugly green wall, and then this is Kenzie's side of the room, and we come into my side of the room. Coming onto my side, we have this gorgeous rug from Target, and then Kenzie has these drawers also, along with this pom-pom thing and some fairy lights. Starting with my bed, pretty much all of my bedding is from Target and HomeGoods. Turning around from our beds, we have this view. So here is our view. And it's actually not that busy today on campus, but it's just because everybody's in class right now. On the other side of my bed, we also have this, along with this poof from HomeGoods, which is so nice. It actually turns into a chair for a lot of people. Coming over to the right, this is my desk, and I just have a printer, and then this little succulent, and a picture of my dad, along with some makeup, and drawers, which are a huge necessity also. Coming from our desks, we are super fortunate to have our own kitchen. The first thing that you see when you come into our kitchen is our beautiful trash can, and then we have our toaster, Keurig. We're trying to get into coffee, so this is a vital part of that. this Kenzie and Julia sign, and then our microwave, sink, and oven. Following that area, we have our fridge, which just has our Beats pill on top, some napkins and paper plates, and then these cute little signs on it. Since this is like MTV, this is what is in our fridge. And the cute little noise that comes with it. So pretty much we are just stacked with drinks, as you can see, and little tiny bits of food. But continuing from our fridge, we have our bulletin boards, which you would have been able to see if you watched my first video. We also have our kitchen table. And that would be the end of our room tour. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below.